Hey everybody, this is my mission statement video. I chose to compare Hyundai and Toyota's mission statements. Let's see. To start out, Hyundai's mission statement was to create exceptional automotive value for their customers by harmoniously blending safety, quality, and efficiency. Then Toyota's mission statement was to attract and attain customers with high-valued products and services and the most satisfying ownership experience in America. I thought both were pretty equal overall. Both definitely appealed to the customer service portion of the spectrum, and they definitely show their dedication to bringing customer satisfaction. I felt like Hyundai, however, worded their mission statement a little more intricately, which, in my opinion, stands out from Toyota's. I think it makes it a little more attention grabbing to an audience, or to an or to a consumer, I guess. And so that's why I think Hyundai's mission statement has the upper hand when compared to Toyota. Alrighty.